USDC is a leading stablecoin issued by Circle, surpassing $20 trillion in all-time transaction volume in late 2024. It also grew 78% year over year, with 500 million plus end users, supported on 16 blockchains, and compliant in international markets like the EU and Canada. Circle recently went public, raising $1.1 billion with a $6.9 billion valuation and breaking many New York Stock Exchange records. Their first public earnings posted for Q2 2025 were explosive, including $61.3 billion USDC in circulation, $5.9 trillion in USDC transaction volume, and $658 million in total revenue. Circle Gateway is a new on-chain primitive designed to enable instant transfers from a unified balance to other chains and wallets, without users having to consider which chain they hold their USDC on. USDT is issued by Tether and is the world's largest stablecoin based on market cap, currently around $167 billion. They recently launched a new stablecoin partnered with LayerZero called USDT0 that just crossed $10 billion in total volume transferred across major blockchains, announced they are moving to Bitcoin country, El Salvador, and are currently supported on 18 different blockchains. As a pioneer in stablecoin modeling and blockchain technology, they deliver transparency and regulatory compliance and are available in many countries. Former White House Crypto Council Director Hines recently joined Tether as a strategic advisor, looking to guide U.S. expansion in digital assets and market strategy. USDY is Ondo Finance's flagship stablecoin offering daily accrued yield, backed by short-term U.S. treasuries and bank deposits. It is the world's first tokenized note secured by the U.S., with over $680 million in TVL as of July, putting it in the top 10 of all stablecoins by market cap. Flexible across Ethereum, Solana, Arbitrum, now Say, and many other widely accessible blockchains, USDY is a versatile stablecoin for secure dollar-denominated returns. USDY accounts for 85% of actual tokenized treasury product users, making it highly composable in the RWA space. USDD is an algorithmic stablecoin issued by Tron, is backed by crypto assets, and can uniquely be mined. Tron represents 41% of all stablecoin transaction volume as of December 2024 and has a collateral ratio of over 200%. Also, Tron recently announced the launch of USDD 2.0 with an annual yield of 20%. Its PEG stability module, or PSM, helps it maintain strong liquidity and PEG stability while using a linked exchange rate system for price range fluctuation control. It is also recognized as legal tender in the Commonwealth of Dominica, which makes it extremely attractive to open market operations and global DeFi adoption. With a total supply of $1 billion plus, FDUSD is a fully backed stablecoin designed by First Digital Labs out of Hong Kong that is accessible on Ethereum, Solana, BNB Chain, Sui, etc. Binance has endorsed FDUSD as a replacement for BUSD, which has led to significant market growth and trust among the broader ecosystem. FDUSD launched on the Ton blockchain in late July to enable value transfers between users and add utility and liquidity to its community. Trading volume of FDUSD on major sexes has also crossed $10 billion in late July, noting its demand and place in the top 10. PayPal USD is a stablecoin launched by Paxos for digital asset transfers by the leading payment provider, PayPal. With NYSDFS backing, audited reserves, and monthly reports, PYUSD maintains stability and compliance throughout the stablecoin landscape. PYUSD is used as a liquidity resource for RWAs, with full conversions of Ondo's OUSG digital product and access across blockchains such as Solana, Arbitrum, Stellar, and more. It is a strong link between the traditional finance economy and Web3 as a new payment layer on public blockchains. The Gemini dollar is an ERC20 token built on Ethereum and serves as a bridge between TradFi and DeFi, providing liquidity throughout the Gemini ecosystem and beyond. Backed by USD at State Street Bank in New York City, and the first US dollar-backed stablecoin to receive backing from a US regulatory body, it can be used as a payment alternative for instant transfers between employees, partners, friends, etc. Founded by the Winklevoss twins in 2014, Gemini launched GUSD in 2018 to garner more flexibility and transparency for their industry-leading exchange. Generated by depositing crypto assets into Maker Vaults, DAI is issued by Ethereum and managed by MakerDAO using smart contracts. It operates as an ERC20 token for decentralized and permissionless trading, borrowing, and lending. As a multi-collateral system with a collateral ratio between 101 and 175%, it mitigates user risk and increases stability, alternatively to other centralized collateral stablecoins. DAI is now considered USDS under the new migration from MakerDAO to Sky.